Leo, hi, welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At itinan natin kung ano yung energies for you ngayong full moon in Sagittarius sa June 11, 2025 at 3:43 p.m. Philippine time. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang yung information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, so for you, Leo, itong full moon in Sagittarius is happening in your 5th house of creativity, children, dating. Okay? So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring meron kayong nakaka-date na kaibigan or can be yung mga tinatawag nilang friends with benefits. You may be letting go of that, no? Maari kasi ngayon you are looking for a serious commitment, no? You want na gusto mong yung iyong oras at panahon ay worth it. Hindi ayaw mo na magsayang ng oras. You want to focus on yourself, improving yourself as well kasi andyan din si Mars sa iyong 1st house which is about yourself. Maari rin kasi 5th house is about your creativity. So pwedeng meron kayong mga creative na projects na ipupursue, no? Lalo na kung hindi nyo ito napagtuunan ng pansin ng mga nakaraan. But if you feel na parang hindi ka na ganun ka-interesado sa bagay na yan, pwedeng yan ay titigilan mo na. Okay? Maari kasing it's taking a lot of your time or parang feeling mo hindi na siya part ng priorities mo sa ngayon. Okay? Maari rin kasing you are not getting the support that you need from the people na inaasahan mong susuportahan ka. And sometimes, yun yung nakakawala ng gana, no? But, dito mo mapapatunayan kung talagang gusto mong i-pursue yung creative na projects mo or yung passion mo. Kasi it doesn't matter if people are supporting you or not for as long as masaya ka sa ginagawa mo and alam mo na that is something that you love, na gagawin mo siya kahit hindi ka bayaran, kahit hindi ka mag-earn ng kahit ano doon. Ginagawa mo siya kasi yun yung nagbibigay sa'yo ng fulfillment. Okay? So, I also see an opportunity for you to travel with your friends, to travel with your children, no? Kung meron ka ng anak, possible na you will spend more time with them, or teaching them, no? Pwedeng ikaw ay mag-tutor sa kanila or meron kang mga i-discuss na mga importanteng bagay about relationships or about improving themselves, no? Parang ikaw yung magiging life coach nila, lalo na kung yung mga anak mo ay lumalaki na, nagiging teenager na. So you want to teach them to be more independent at responsible sa kanilang mga actions. Let's see what else. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng meron kayong creative group na sinalihan or any group community na hindi na nag-a-align sa iyong values or hindi na nag-a-align sa iyong belief system, that you might be leaving that group or friends, or kasi minsan ganun na-outgrow natin yung mga kaibigan natin or yung mga dating kasama natin dahil nag-iiba na yung ating interest through the years as we mature. Okay, so let's see the energy of the 5th house. What is the energy of the 5th house? You have the 9 of Wands and the 7 of Cups. So ayun, maaring meron kang, para dun sa mga nagde-date ngayon na you feel like parang you are wasting your time, nagsasayang ka ng oras at panahon sa tao na to dahil parang wala siyang emotional na investment sa'yo and you still feel na parang baka bigyan mo ng chance kasi baka confused lang. Pero kung confused tong person na to, maaring hindi talaga to seryoso sa relationship ninyo. So you might, just let go of this person. Ang iingatan mo lang is kung ito ay kaibigan mo. Kaya nga meron mga tao na hindi nakikipag-relationship sa mga kaibigan na nila because ayaw nila masira yung friendship nila. So that's the downside of dating someone na kaibigan mo muna bago kayo nag-date. Yes. Okay, so let's see the 11th house energy. The Hierophant. I feel like mas magiging committed ka ngayon sa iyong mga pangarap. Kasi kung nandun ka sa sitwasyon na parang you are trying to find happiness, fulfillment sa ibang bagay. Like especially sa isang tao na iniisip mo na this person is going to fill my my happiness, no? Kumbaga siya yung magbibigay sa'yo ng happiness. Pero hindi naman, 'di ba? So now you are redirecting your energy in improving yourself through your work, through your career, through focusing on learning. So yung iba sa inyo maaring papasok sa school, magkakaroon ng higher education, or maaring meron ka mga short courses na iti-take, or this can be a self study or parang sarili mong research to learn, to improve your skills. And eventually, this will help you para ma-achieve mo yung goals and dreams mo for your career or personal goals mo. It doesn't have to be a career naman. Can be anything. Like, example, gusto mong makapagpatayo ka ng bahay para sa family mo. So, yun yung mas bibigyan mo ng focus and attention ngayon. What is the first house? First house energy. Six of Swords. Oh, you're moving on. Leo, you are moving on. Napakabilis mo rin namang makamove on. 'Di ba? If you feel na this connection or yung person that you're dealing with is hindi na rin nag-invest sa'yo, wala ka na rin balak mag-invest sa person na to. Mas bibigyan mo ng attention yung career mo, yung finances mo, yung sarili mo. You will focus on taking care of yourself, taking care of your needs. And the moment na gawin mo yan, mas marami ka pang ma-attract na opportunities. Hindi lang sa career, hindi lang sa ibang bagay, no? But also sa relationship, na kung saan le-level siya sa kalibre mo, no? Sa caliber mo, kumbaga. Let's see what else. Prosperity lies ahead. Wow, ang ganda ng energy na yan for you, Leo. So, there's money abundance. Step out of your comfort zone. The North Node. Actually, ito ang medyo mahirap na i-fulfill. Kasi hindi tayo familiar kasi sa ating North Node. Mas familiar tayo sa South Node natin, which is, yun yung mastery natin, doon na tayo expert. But this is about growth, okay? So if you want to grow, if you want to upgrade, if you want to expand and improve your life, you have to step out of your comfort zone and try new things, okay? So that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. See you again.